Hi everyone and welcome back. I received this package here from Zhnn. I hope I pronounced perfectly. It's Z-H-N-N. So they asked me to do a review on it, and we're talking about a tablet, radio, car, tablet if you want, Android 13. So let's look at it. I'm going to look inside to see what exactly we have. The user manual. If you need instruction to install the radio, everything is wrote inside. They wrote everything how to do it, the job. They tell you the cable and everything, the color of the cable and everything you need to include. So my radio, it's for a Dodge Ram 2005. So here we have the cable, the antenna, all the cable for my Ram. The cable here, let me show you, because they put it inside another bag. RCA, input to output. And this is going to be my radio for the GPS. This cable here, it's for the backup. Wait, they put it two cable inside there. Here. This is for the microphone, for the radio when I'm talking on the phone. Here, this is for the backup, camera backup. Here already they gave me the camera include. Here you have a small screwdriver Philip, a cable, RCA, so two brackets if I need to install perfectly, but mine is already included. So here I have a small tool for the dash when it's time to open the dash of the car or the truck. A small mount. And now let me show you. And voila. That's going to be my radio. We're talking about the 9-inch. That's going to be HD. So now we just look inside the box to see what exactly we have. So now the job is going to install it. I really need to mention, I'm really surprised to everything they include inside the box, how to install on my Ram. Okay, the resolution is 1280 by 720, so that's going to be HD. Okay guys, so that's my radio. My old one was inside my Ram with all the cable, the job I did for all the cable. And this is my dash, but not my dash, my front, how you can call that, my front for the radio. So now what I need to do, but first thing, this mount here is not an OEM, only that part here, you can see, only that part here is OEM, and this part here, it's me, I already installed it. In the back you can see all the screw. So now what I need to do is take it out, this and that part here, plus all the screw we have here, and I'm going to install it on the other one. Okay, so it's nice they gave us a small screwdriver Philip, okay, for those kind of screw. But what I choose is this guy here, a little bit bigger. So if that's going to probably, if I have one at home or you can go at the store, that's going to be the screwdriver I'm going to use, and that's going to be a number 1 Philip. Okay, second thing what I did, I unscrew this part here. You know, it's like a place where you can put 25 cents or paper or anything, and I installed this guy here, the mount for the ear. So let me show you what exactly you're going to do after that. Okay, so mine, like the way I can tell you, I already did the job to take it out, the old one, because for my radio I installed the last time, I need to buy this on Amazon. So now what exactly we're going to do, we're going to install it, the other panel like that, on this. Okay, so for me that was easy because I already did all the unscrew and unscrew. So let me show you what exactly it's going to look like. Et voila. Not bad, eh? So now I just need to install all the screw all around and install the ear and like a small place for the compartment, and install the cable. Okay, let me show you something. To install this mount here on the dash, you need to look inside the bag. You're going to see those small washers like that. Let me show you. Wait, probably going to see it now. No small wire like rubber washer. You're going to need it to install the mount on the dash, and you're going to find it inside the bag. Okay, now what we need to do, install that small compartment and the ear on the new mount with my old screw we already have. And after that I'm going to show you what exactly it look like, because now you can see it's empty. And don't worry, all they're already there. So let's do the job. Okay, so let me show you how it look. Install the heater compartment, and let's look on the other side, and voila. Not bad, eh? Really nice. So now the next job is going to be to install the cable, and we need to install it inside the truck. Okay, let me show you what exactly it look like. This is the cable for the radio, all I need, and now it's time to install it inside the truck. And the next video is going to be the radio. Already assembled it. Okay, the radio already installed inside the truck. That's the 2005 Dodge Ram, and let's start it. You can see how quick it's open. You can see the clock. It's 2. They gave you 2 cable USB, so like that you can install an external memory. It's on this guy here. I can look at the video and I don't know, the music at the same time. You have Play Store, you have Map, you have Chrome, you have Bluetooth music, video. Then put it back. I love when I start my car. Is that what I see? And that's going to be all. So let's go back at home. Let me tell you one thing. A few years ago, I buy that kind of radio. I don't remember the model, but I install it. I love it. First time I install it, I love it. But now I see a little bit better of quality of sound what I just installed. I see the quality of the sound, better quality of video, better quality of going to one screen to another. So I hope you like this video. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.